All right, this is number 34 for the MAT 1033 final exam review. Number 34 asks us to simplify 2a to the negative fourth, b to the fifth, all over 4a to the fourth, b to the ninth, all to the negative 2 power. So we know we had to have positive exponents and we had to get all of our like terms together. So we have a couple different options. So I'm going to start off by distributing this negative 2. So notice that negative 2 is an exponent, so it's going to go to every exponent inside the parentheses. So whenever you have a power to a power, an exponent to exponent, remember we're going to multiply those together. So this 2 doesn't look like it has an exponent, but we know it's 2 to the first power. Same thing for this 4. So whenever we multiply these, I have 2, and then my powers are 1 times negative 2, which is negative 2. A to the negative 4 times negative 2 will give us positive 8. And b to the 5 times negative 2 will give us negative 10. All over, same thing for the bottom. 4 to the first power times negative 2. 1 times negative 2 is 2. A to the 4 times negative 2 will give us negative 8. And we have b to the 9 times negative 2, which is negative 18. So now trying to get rid of those negative exponents. So I know negative exponents means it flips across the fraction bar. So if it's a negative up top, it's going to flip down to the bottom. If it's a negative on the bottom, it's going to flip up to the top. So this one's going to go down to the bottom. This one's going to go down to the bottom. 4 to negative 2 is going to go to the top. A to the negative 8th is going to go to the top. Last but not least, b to the negative 18 is going to go up top. So rewriting what we got here. So that 2 to the negative 2 went to the bottom. So it now becomes positive. So 2 to the positive 2 power. That 4 to the negative 2 power flipped up top and became positive. So we now have 4 to the positive 2 power up top. This 8 to the 8th is up top and it's already positive, so nothing's going to happen to it. It's going to stay 8 to the positive 8th up top. This 8 to the negative 8th is on bottom, so we're going to flip it up top to make it positive. So we have another 8 to the 8th that's now positive up top. This b to the negative 10th is up top. It's going to flip down to the bottom and become b to the positive 10th power. And this b to the negative 18th is on the bottom. It's going to flip up to the top and become b to the positive 18th power. So we went ahead and we distributed our exponent of negative 2, and then we flipped everything around, swapped it all around, whatever needed to be swapped in order to make all of our exponents positive. So now we are going to combine like terms. So 4 squared, 4 times 4 we know is 16. If I have a to the 8th times a to the 8th up top, those are like terms, so those can be combined together. And they are both on the same side, so they're being multiplied together. So whenever we have two variables with the same base being multiplied together, we are going to add their exponents. So it becomes a to the 8 plus 8. On the bottom, we have 2 squared, which is 4. And then I need to combine my b's together. I have b to the 18th divided by b to the 10th. They're both b's. They're both base b's, so they're like terms. And they're being divided, so I'm going to subtract these exponents. So b to the 18 minus 10. So whenever I subtract them, they're going to stay up top until we're done. So now, continuing to combine like terms, 16 divided by 4 will leave us with 4. A to the 8 plus 8 will give us 16. So a to the 16th power. And b, 18 minus 10 will leave us with 8. So if you notice, I combine all of my like terms together. All of my exponents are positive, so there's nothing else we can do to simplify this. This is our final answer. 4 times a to the 16th, b to the 8th. That is number 34 for the MAT 1033 final exam review.